So another very commonly asked question in UGC is if you need to show your face. And I feel like this question comes up a lot in content creation as well in general. And the short answer to this is no, you don't necessarily need to show your face. You can be creating videos or pictures, just basically focusing on a product. Or as I mentioned before, they're also written UGC content that for sure you don't need to show your face. If you have that skill, you can make use of that. But yeah, generally you can be still very successful in UGC without showing your face. You can also be showing just part of your face. Let's say you're applying the product to your hands, you're applying your product to the part of your face, or showing how to and filming yourself from behind perhaps, or whatever you're comfortable with. You can also do a video focusing on a product, showcasing how to use it, etc., and doing a voiceover if you're comfortable with that. Because I understand that not everybody is comfortable with showing yourself in front of the camera, speaking to the camera, or even having your face around Facebook. And so I completely understand you, and I understand that sometimes you may not feel comfortable with that. And I just want to say that it's completely fine, and you have to focus on what's best for you and what you're most comfortable with and what you're most excited about. So yes, there's definitely a niche for faceless UGC content as well. The reason why brands often choose creators who are willing to speak to the camera, who are not camera shy, or who can showcase their face as well in front of the camera is because that just naturally creates some sort of relationship between me and the viewer. We automatically, I feel like, trust that person a little bit more, which also results in trusting that brand or product more. It's also user-generated content, so we somehow feel that that's true to what that person is talking and saying about that product. And if they're saying that that changed their life, we may believe it more than if we just see a product and person talking about it behind the camera. But of course, it's up to your preferences. And once again, there are gonna be brands that are going to accept you without showing your face as well. So don't get discouraged to start UGC journey if you don't want to show your face too.